Hi, welcome all to day one of the challenge. So, have you ever had a brilliant research idea in your mind but struggled to put it into a structured proposal? A research proposal is your blueprint. It convinces reviewers that your study is worth funding or get approved. So please remember, most researchers they fail because they don't know how to make a proposal strong. In this video, I will tell you 3 secrets to write a successful research proposal. So let's dive in what's inside a winning proposal. The first and the key most point is a clear research question, the foundation of your study, what reviewers should understand instantly about the focus of your study. The narrow you are, the gaps you have identified, focusing on the final research question is what the reviewers are looking at your research proposal. Second, and the important part is a strong literature review. Only when you have done a strong literature review, you can identify the research gap and can come up with new novel ideas. And third, but not the least, it's a strong methodology which justifies how you will conduct your study within the time frames. I'll give you a pro tip. Although these days AI tools are widely available, they can help you refine your writing, also format your document and suggest related papers. But AI should not replace your critical thinking. Whatever is coming from your mind is the best thing which you can put in the papers. An ethical AI use means it is your support tool and not a shortcut to research. So, task for today is drop your research topic in the comments and I'll give you the feedback and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.